gas price trading around $2.9924. What you can see that three gaps are still pending at these levels. Okay, so chances are very high. A gap at 5.2 levels and the gap of 5.3 is there. If you look at this particular trend, we have seen that this particular pattern is supporting downside. If the price keep moving below a level of 2.8, there is a higher chances it will cross below a level of 2.7, which is a weak level, so we can see it will fall further low. Okay, but if it has to sustain or goes above that level, it has to go above a level of 4.22, then only we can see there can be a further rise. Okay, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that the price was making continuously gap down. Okay, and for this particular week, after moving from a level of around 2.82, after filling this particular gap, which was at a level of around 2.91, it made a low of around 2.82. From there it started filling this gap. Why? Because was a continuous gap down happened, and now the price was started filling this gap. So first gap is filled towards $3.08. When the price moved below this level, for this particular gap filling, it filled this gap, and then from there it started rising, which I've earlier mentioned you in my previous video. It has touched a level of 3.08. Now the price is trading around $2.9924. So suppose if it bounce back, it can touch yesterday's on Friday's high of around 3.0842, and if that's sustained, it will cross a level of 3.16, and a probability of going towards a level of around 3.28 will be there, which is this particular gap will be filled. And if the price keep moving up this level, probability of crossing 3.4 will be there. From there it will cross a level of 3.56. This is what we can see. And if the price moving up this level, probability of touching 3.61 will be there, and then we can see a gap of around 3.73, which is this particular gap. So trail your SL by around 0.15 if the price keep moving above $3.08. So at least you will capture upside movement. Because if you see, because this particular pattern is supporting downside, but if it keep moving above a level of 3, we can see there can be a further upside till the time these gaps are not filled. Okay, we have seen the gap is pending at 5.3 also. So if the price started going above a level of 4.2, then only we can see it can go further upside. Otherwise, we can see if it keep moving below $3, a further fall can be seen. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can move towards a level of $2.91, and if the price falling below this level, chance of going towards 2.83. This 2.83 is a weak level, so we can see it will go further down and it will touch a level of 2.7, which is also weak, and the price will move further down. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go towards a level of around 2.61, and this level is also weak, so we can see it will probability of touching a level of 2.38 is very high. Okay, so if it started going below 2.7, chance of touching 2.38 is very high. From there a bounce back can be seen. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be there, but probability of going below of 2.8 is less because institutional buying can be high. But if it keep moving below 2.8, remember there is a higher chance of crossing 2.7. So trailing your SL by 0.15 if the price sustain above $3. But if it keep moving below 2.9 or 2.8, probably of going further fall can be seen. So trail your SL by 0.15. So at least you capture upside as well as downside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,